In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up MSI Afterburner on-screen display. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have ever watched some sort of benchmark or even gameplay, you might have noticed that some people have this overlay at the top left or the corners of the screen. This gives them critical information like the GPU usage percentage, the temperatures, and so on. This can be especially useful if you are trying to troubleshoot problems with your PC or you want to know if your hardware is performing how it should. So in order to set up the on-screen display, open MSI Afterburner. I'm going to assume that you already have it installed, and then go into the settings. So click the settings icon at the left. Inside of the settings, switch over to the monitoring tab. This is where you will be able to configure the on-screen display. So there will be a list with plenty of different options to add to the on-screen display. Most people will add only truly important ones like the GPU temperature, the GPU usage, and the same thing for the CPU. I'm not going to go too much in detail about what you can and cannot add, but you will be able to choose it from here. You can take this check mark to make sure that something is appearing on the on-screen display or is not appearing. So set them up according to your preferences. Like I said, most people will do FPS, GPU usage, temperature, and then the same for the CPU. So take these check marks. Now, if you scroll down, when you click on any of these, for example, GPU temperature, you will find this option here. So in this example, GPU1 temperature graph properties, and all that you have to do is choose the option to show in on-screen display. And you do the same for every other one that you want to enable. Once you do this under the properties, it is going to say in OSD. You can highlight multiple of them at a time and enable them all together, as long as the checkbox or check mark is ticked and you select them and tick this option show in on-screen display. You will be able to see the display when you run any full screen application, namely a game most of the time. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up MSI Afterburner on-screen display. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.